The cat was sleeping. Just then, a bird quietly came and started cutting off the cat's fur. When the cat woke up, it saw that its fur was gone. Angry, the cat tried to catch the bird, but the bird flew away. Furious, the cat grabbed a saw and went out to find the bird. Through a telescope, it saw the bird building a nest with its fur. In anger, the cat cut down the whole tree. When the bird came back, it found its nest gone, cut down by the cat. So the bird flew to the eagle to seek justice. The eagle got angry, flew into the sky, and dropped a bomb on the cat's head. And in the end, the cat was completely messed up.